The MATCHFIT setup gauge from MicroJig is designed to work with your Dado Stop and dovetail clamps. It is calibrated using a simple process. A scrap is ripped against the fence, the blade is raised to the height of the molded-in notch, and the base of the gauge is then trimmed to accurately represent your saw and your blade. This process accounts for the actual kerf your blade cuts, not just the blade diameter. Runout is automatically adjusted for, allowing you to set up your Dado Stop with superior accuracy. Mount your Dado Stop to the rip fence, put the setup gauge in place touching the number 1 leg, and instantly set the number 2 leg to the exact kerf that your saw is going to cut. The Dado Stop can also function as the square when setting up your number 3 leg. The MATCHFIT setup gauge helps you set your Dado Stop faster, more accurately, and with greater consistency, helping you get the best possible fit every time you use it.
MicroJig. Work safer. Work smarter.